Christchurch, about to come out right now. He was at round one. To give it to Austin. Right injected. Ford F100. This is a fat bit of gear.
Yeah, well, Steve had a pretty big day at Masterton last weekend. He featured in the top 10. Had a little bit of hitting on injection system of that machine, and he ended up going up in smoke. But he's up in flames, I should say. He's got himself out. He's turned up. He's running.
We saw Arnie across at Southern Arts 30 earlier this year. Came across as a part of Team Carnage, Kiwi Carnage. And man, hold Arnie. He's certainly bringing in character. Yeah, looks like he's got up real fast. Now, I was just saying during that burnout, it's very hard, especially on the daytime, to know where you are on the pad. That's the question I guess that gets asked a lot, is how do you know where you are? Well, of a night time, you've got light towers that are traditionally in every corner, and you can kind of pick your vantage point of where you are. Of a day, totally different gig, totally a lot tougher. So Arnie's done a fine job to keep that low life XCU off those 4-ton concrete barriers.
Yeah, you're absolutely right there, JC. Well, he doesn't bring a knife to a gunfight, does he, Arnie? He always turns up with a big, powerful methanol injected small block in front of that truck, and, well, he knows how to pilot it, that's for sure.